Say hi, love bugs. Welcome to my channel.
Hi, love bugs. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Evangeline. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, leave a like, and hit that post notification so you can always see when I post. Just thumbs up all over the place.
She's so beautiful.
I know. Look at her.
She's so pretty.
Mama, she is so pretty.
Oh,
she just farted.
When she first wakes up, like she has like her face will get a little puffy. She's farted again. She looks like a little Who character. Like, look at her.
What do we have here?
Is our princess awake now?
Hi, princess.
Is our princess awake now?
Let me get a better angle. I don't want to be showing my daughter's little gobble neck.
Oh, we love her little gobble neck.
Gobble
we
neck.
love her little gobble neck. What was your dream, Mama?
That dimple, though. Spitting up. Spitting up.
Did you dream about Mommy and Daddy? I think you did. I think you did. Oh my gosh.
Good morning.
It's too bright, Dada.
It's actually like 1 or 2 p.m. And this is us right here. Barely getting up. We don't have sheets on our bed because someone poops and pees and throw-ups all over our sheets.
Why do your legs get so stiff, Mama? Look at this cute little face right here. Look at this cute little face right here.
Hey, since you threw up all over our sheets, you gotta do laundry.
You gotta do laundry.
Yep,
It's
you
your
gotta do
turn.
laundry.
You wanna do laundry? I'll teach you. I'll teach you. She said, yeah.
Yeah.
You wanna do laundry? Okay, tell them where we're at.
Alright, so we're at one of our favorite spots, 0 degrees in Arlington right now. The South Arlington location though, not the North Arlington, the South. My friend owns this one actually, so we always show him love. So we pulled up, we're gonna surprise them, say what's up. I'm a big fan of the milkshake that they got there. I know Daddy likes the watermelon slush.
Good morning, afternoon.
Yeah, but Brittany loves the watermelon. Oh, there he is right there, look. Oh, snap, coming the vlog. What's up?
Pull up, dude.
Hey.
What's up, man? Nice camera. What's up, Brittany?
Hey.
What's up, big guy?
What's up, bro? It's been a minute, huh?
Pretty good, man.
Classic
Yeah,
handshake.
That's the man with the plan right here. Making big moves right here.
We're at 0 degrees. We're about to go in and eat. Evangeline's first time at 0 degrees. Look at her cute little outfit, guys. You can't really see because of the car seat, but it's cute. It's with these little overalls. Ooh, what's that face?
So you got the watermelon slush, babe? Watermelon slush.
The watermelon slush and some cheese fries.
Cheese fries. They got the watermelon slush.
Slush and some lemon pepper and hot Cheetos.
Sounds good. Evangeline, what'd you get? She got the Similac.
Yep.
You got some Similac?
On the rocks.
On the rocks, huh?
Hey, you think babies can see like ghosts and stuff?
Yep.
Some people, I think they say they see angels or something.
I think the creepiest thing is when you're chilling and like you look at your pet or like your baby and they're just like staring and you look at them like, what are y'all staring at?
Yeah, I know that they say that babies laugh in their sleep because like they're playing with angels. Have you heard that?
No.
And she laughs, and she laughs in her sleep a lot, like the cutest little laughs. No, but the way she be looking sometimes, I'm like, what are you looking at? Are you looking at ghosts?
She was like, oh, yeah, I've always wondered though, what age do the kids, do the babies or whatever, like when can they stop seeing?
Yeah.
Around 2 years old, like 2?
Like 2, 3.
Probably once they can like communicate. I think it's like a deal. She's like, y'all are crazy. I just be looking.
Yeah, man with the plan right here. Yes,
Cheese
sir.
fries.
Cheese fries. What else we got?
Buffalo wings,
Buffalo
tenders.
wings, tenders. Whew.
Welcome to 0 degrees in Arlington.
Yeah. You forgot they had
I
wings?
forgot they had wings. Mom said that their wings were really good.
Yeah.
But look how good these cheese fries
Let me see
are.
those cheese fries. Normally we get the hot Cheeto ones or the elote with the the hot Cheeto stuff sprinkled all over it. But she wasn't feeling the spicy today. Day, I think you feeling the spicy today. What'd you get?
Lemon pepper and hot. You know how I get down.
Hey, that smells good. I can smell it from over here.
Stop stole my idea.
Hey, how you feeling, bro? Feeling good. Hey, people want to know where you've been at.
I've been here, 0 degrees.
R.I.P. Toys R Us, Babies R Us. Oh my gosh, Evangeline's gonna grow up and she's not even gonna know what that is.
Makes me sad. Those are the days,
Wow.
man. Those are the days.
So we decided to come to Spirit Halloween. It's still kind of early. It's August, but you know, it's never too early to look at Halloween costumes.
Never.
So you said you've never been to Spirit Halloween?
I've never had the spirit to even understand what this shit is. I love going to Halloween stores.
Got Daddy and Evangeline in the stroller.
Since it's early, like they're gonna have everything in stock, so that's the best part. Cause normally when you come like in October, half the shit's gone, and you're just like, oh.
We'll have to find like a little tiny one, cause she'll be how many months?
She'll be like 4 months.
4 months?
4
By
months
October?
like 4 months and some change.
Look at that Harley Quinn one. That one's cute. We need to be like a family thing. Y'all comment below on what y'all want us to be.
What should we be for Halloween? I said the Addams Family. We should be a tiger.
Or the little pig.
So I got it.
Wow. She's so unamused. No, you're gonna scare her.
What she really gets?
No, what if she starts crying?
She's like, no, not bothered.
She's so unamused. She's like, what? That's supposed to scare me?
Look at the goose.
Ew, what are they doing?
Why didn't give him a plump?
Ew, this one's creepy.
They gave him some cheeks. Look, he's over here double cheeked up.
Ooh, this one's creepy. Oh my god. Nothing better pop out over here, I swear to God.
Here you go, Freddie, right here.
Oh my gosh, you know what we can do? We can film us a vlog of us getting our apartment ready for Halloween. Like our decorations and stuff.
The Joker jacket. Let me see one.
It almost goes to your feet.
But I'm not the same Joker you know. I'm the Joker from the Mario. Check out the movement. I just pulled a chest muscle.
Stupid.
The Joker brothers.
The Joker brothers.
Baby Joker.
Where's my money?
Now you're old school pimp. I say,
Oh my gosh, these are so freaking cute. It's the Sanderson sisters.
let me ask you guys one question real quick. Comment down below, yes or no. It's August, like, what, 19th?
August 19th, yeah.
Is it too early to start decorating the apartment with Halloween stuff? See or no?
We gotta get these. These are so cute. We can put them on the couch.
Candles.
Ooh, cute. We can put that on the TV stand.
Ooh, yeah, we should. Dang, our TV stand's gonna look cool.
Yeah. 1 hour broom parking. That's cute. Oh my gosh, your mom would love all of this. His mom loves, what's his name? Jack?
He loves Jack the Pumpkin King. I'm
You
Jack
say I'm a witch like it's a bad
the
thing.
Pumpkin King. She likes the Nightmare Before Christmas.
Yeah. These are cute.
Look what he's doing.
What are you doing?
What was the dog's name?
Look at her face.
It's the Fortnite.
The Fortnite. Oh my gosh, how cute. These are so cute. Oh look, this one says Binks is my boo. What is it? I can't go in there and record you. It's got sharks?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there is like teeth
It's
around
nothing scary.
here.
It's just like a cool little like fake aquarium.
Oh.
Come through
So,
here. You
come
go
in?
through and I'll watch her.
Let me see. Oh. Oh shit. What is that? What is This is cool. This is pretty cool. Oh look, there's the shark thing. There's the shark. They're playing Taylor Swift at the Spirit of Halloween store. And Nathan's feeling it. What are you doing? He knows all the words.
Cucumber for Halloween.
I turned him into a T Swift fan.
Pickle Rick.
Pickle Rick!
Cucumber.
That's a pickle.
I'm gonna make it a cucumber. But all the girls like cucumbers.
Hey,
for
man,
salad.
sorry, you see Daddy at the club and the girl's picking him up.
Oh my gosh, that's creepy. Oh, that's creepy.
Call you a bastard? I said, you're a bastard. What?
So tell them where we're at.
Man, you know, we're at my very first job ever, Party City.
Are they closing down?
I don't know.
So your birthday's coming up.
Yep, September 11th.
What do you want to do? We going to Vegas?
Vegas.
Vegas.
This is the move.
Oh my gosh. Should Evangeline be a little flower? Oh my gosh, that would be so cute for what we talked about the other day. Oh, that would be perfect. Oh my gosh, you better quit before you fuck up your knees.
Got good knees. Just lube them up. Joint juice. Raiden. He's always like.
What? Wait, repeat the story?
I was playing Donkey Kong the other day on Super Nintendo, and the old guys on there, cause like, and then like at the very beginning, and then the monkey comes down and he's like, the old one. Alright guys, so today was like a wonderful, fun, adventurous day. We didn't do a whole lot because, you know, it was hot as hell outside.
It was like 104 today, guys.
I mean, Texas gets super hot. Like 104 might not be hot, you know, because some of you guys that follow us are from like Vegas and New Mexico and Arizona, and I know y'all get up into the 120s and stuff, but Texas is really humid, so it's crazy. And we had the baby, so we didn't want to be out too much, but hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Like I said, we're gonna be shooting more. We got a brand new camera.
She's like, get me in the camera.
She's like, hey, daddy, for me. But yeah, we got more vlogs coming soon. Oh guys, forgot to tell you. So I talked to Brittany and we came up with a deal. Okay, she said whenever she hits 100,000 subscribers, which is only like less than 1,500 away, she said that we'll be able to make a family channel. So go subscribe to Brittany if you are not subscribed, like ASAP. Subscribe quick. Tell everybody you know to subscribe, because we can easily get her to 100K, and then we can start this family channel up and we can get this going. One thing we do need help with is finding a name for our channel, because we don't want to be like the so-and-so family. So if you guys have any suggestions, leave a comment down below. We might choose the name you pick for us. You never know.
So guys, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. We're on the road to 100K, and we will see you in our next video. Say bye, little bugs. Bye. She's getting bottle service right now.